Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the package from the Autominy car. Then we have to go to the web page to the Autominy installation, and there we can find all the instructions that we need to install the package for being able to make simulation and to control the autonomous vehicle, the real autonomous vehicle. So the first we need to do is to copy these instructions. Let's copy first this instruction, and we open up a new terminal in Ubuntu, and there we are going to use this first instruction. When we use this instruction, it will create a folder with the name Autominy that contains all the files that we need to install this package. In my case, I've already created this folder, so it's not going to work, but in your case it will download all the files that you need to work with the Autominy simulation and also with the real car. So we have to press enter here to download all the files that we need to install the Autominy car package, and then we have to go into this new folder that was already created. So we have to use the next command, that is cd autominy /catkin ws. Then we copy this command in our terminal. This will lead us to the folder autominy /catkin workspace, and then we use the next command to install all the tools that we need for working with Python and Catkin. In case that you obtain the error that appears here, you have to use the same command, but in the very beginning you have to use sudo. Then it will ask for a password. We write the password that we have in our session, and after that it will download all the tools that we need from Python and Catkin. And also we have to install all the dependencies needed for compiling this package. So we use the next command to download all the dependencies that we need. And finally we have to build our package. So we do it by using the command catkin build. It will build all the package, and you will have something similar to what you see on the screen. And after a little bit, all the package succeeded, all the 3 packages that are inside this folder succeeded. Then we have to make all these changes visible to ROS, so we have to source by using the command source devel setup.bash or devel setup.csh if you are using bash or csh respectively. In our case we are using bash, so we use the first command, and that's all that we have to do to install the package for the Autominy car. Then we go to our root directory, and it's a good practice to make some changes into the bash rc file. In this case we are going to use bin.bashrc to open the bash rc file, and then we press I to make some changes to this file. In our case we have to write the next command, source home your username, and then the name of the directory that we already have created, in this case Autominy catkin ws devel setup.bash. So once you open up a new terminal, every time you open a new terminal, all the package is already visible to ROS by using this command. It's also good practice to modify the variables or the parameters ROS master URI and ROS IP. In the case that we are using the real car, we have to change the ROS master URI with the IP address of the real vehicle. In our case, for the car that we are using, the IP address is 192, 168, 71, 160. And you must have this information for every car, and this may change if you are using a different car, but this information has to be available. And also with the computer that we are using, we have our own IP address, so we have to write the IP address of our computer here in the variable ROS IP. And that's all. With the command export ROS master URI and export ROS IP. So we exit from here by writing colon WQ exclamation sign. And next, with these changes, we have to source the bash RC file to update all the changes that we have done here. And after that, we have all that we need to work with the simulator. So the next step here is to verify that we can use the simulator and we can control the real car with the new package that we already installed. And that's all. Thank you for watching.